this is just your reminder to go back to the basics and keep it simple. Welcome back to the Daily Nugget. It's day 145 of 365. Sometimes you really just have to go back to the basics, and if you've watched day 143 and 144, which were trade recaps, you'd know that I was having some issues with what I was calling my intraday range. This really just came down to overcomplicating things a bit. And so what I've done is really looking at my previous plan and the data, stick to what was working and try and filter out what was not. Looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Sometimes you'll see the 4 hour trading in a key area or a point of interest, and the 1 hour just hasn't shifted yet because it's still correcting, whether that's high or lower. Instead of keeping this simple and just waiting for the 1 hour to shift in line with the 4 hour before then looking for opportunities, I was trying to call the top of where the extent of this correction would be within that 4 hour POI or range. I think that just comes down to a bit of impatience. We see price trading in a really good area, and we, are afraid that we'll miss the trade if we don't get in at that extreme top. Something I heard this week was you never want to be the first person in a position, whether you're calling the top or the bottom. More often than not, if you just wait for that confirmation, wait for that structural shift, wait for things to align, then you increase the probability of the trade playing out. That's what I've kind of gone back to. I was really just overcomplicating things, and we do that sometimes, but this is just your reminder to go back to the basics and keep it simple. Remember guys, consistency is the choice you make when you start doing the things you know you should be doing day in and day out.